to Ben's Ramblings. Recipes, reviews, and of course ramblings. Tonight we're going to be grilling some fantastic flank steak. Simply marinated in Robusto Italian dressing. Alright, the grill's up to temp, about 450, 500 degrees. We've got a 2-pound flank steak. We're going to throw it on, a couple minutes aside, should be done. Okay, about to open the grill. Take a look and see how everything's going. Looking good. A few more minutes. Okay, I just checked the temperature a minute ago and it should be ready to come off. I'll throw it on the cutting board and let it rest for a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.